Today I'm going to show you how to use the patient portal. What we're going to want to do is go up here and search this 5919.portal.athenahealth.com. That's going to take you to this page right here. We don't have an account, so we're going to go click on that bottom right there, sign up. That's going to take you to this page. This is where you input all your information. I've already done it. So I am the patient. This is my name, my date of birth, my gender, my email, my phone number, and it is a mobile phone. Click I am not a robot and continue. Alright, so we have to verify our identity. It's going to send us a verification code. I want it to be emailed to me, but if you have a mobile phone, you can have it texted, or you can have them call you. And I'm just going to wait here, see what passcode I get, check my email. Might take a little bit. Let's see. 197649. That's my passcode. You will have a different one, but that is the one that they sent me. And now I can make my password. Okay, so there are a couple rules we have to follow. The 4 on the right. So I'm going to type something that meets those 4 rules. And you can see, as I meet those rules, the X's will turn into check marks. Just want to type the same thing to confirm it. Okay, so those 4 rules are, it must be between 8 and 20 characters, have at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 lowercase letter, and include at least 1 number or symbol. And mine meets all of those, so I'm going to click agree to terms and conditions and continue. Just wait for it to load, and we're in. Okay, I am not going to stay connected with text alerts, but it is helpful. And it looks like, okay, we have some test results in. So I'm going to click on that. I want to see my test results. And it looks like we have 3 new test results in. All right, so we can go to the first one, view results. Those are my results. You can see, you can also do that for the second one. All right. And the third one. Alright, so that looks like something I might want to talk to my doctor about. So I want to make an appointment. And how to do that, I'm going to go up here to messages. I'm going to go down here. You can see that you can see your test results in your messages inbox as well. Just like that. But I want to compose a new message. It's a medical question. Alright, so I want to send it to Dr. Lee. Just always send it through Dr. Lee. Don't click any of these other ones. Location. Okay, so I want to make an appointment. I'm going to send him a message that says, let's see, hello, Dr. Lee. And I want to make an appointment for, let's say, Saturday the 28th. Just like that. Okay, now I can go down here and send it. And it might take a while, but they will get back to you. So just keep checking your inbox. You can also call, it may be faster. And that's it. That's how you use the patient portal. Thank you for listening.